Back to my channel. Today we are back with something beautiful, and trust me guys, this is actually a comparison video from Keswigs, and I'm going to be using Luvme Hair straight hair. So guys, stay tuned and watch me show you guys the comparison of these two hairs. So right here I have Keswigs, and right here I have Luvme Hair. So guys, before I move on with these two comparison of these two companies right here, I'm at the middle guys. So before I move on with this one and this comparison, let me show you guys what Keswigs have for you in this beautiful package right here. Right here, see the amazing gifts Keswigs got for you. This is more convincing guys. I will actually advise everyone here to go get this hair from Keswigs. This company is like, their packaging is unique, the gifts are unique. So guys, if I show you guys this gift they got for you, you'll be so amazed. Moving on, let me show you guys this beautiful box right here. In this box you're going to receive so many goodies inside here from Keswigs. This is the more reason you should get them. You should get their hair and get these goodies. First, you're going to get Keswigs hair accessories. You can actually pin it in your hair to give you that beautiful accessory of your hair styling. And also you're going to receive some hair clips, some hairband, and also you're going to receive some edge controller and also a tweezer. Oh my god, this is so nice, this is so amazing. A tweezer, you're actually going to use it to pluck out your hair in case you want to make your hairline look very natural. And that's it with this beautiful box here. And also let me show you guys here, this is very amazing. When I saw this I was screaming like, wow, Keswigs, you guys are the bomb. Thank you so much for this gift. And also this is like a 2-in-1 hair coiler and a hair straightener. You can actually use this to coil your hair right here to also straighten your hair. This is amazing. This is my first time I'm actually receiving a coiler or a hair straightener from a brand, and Keswigs actually did that. Thank you all so much. You can see here it says Kes here. As you can see, this is so amazing. If you get your hair, you're going to get this free gift from them. So guys, we're moving on. Let me show you guys one more thing. And so you're going to see this Keswigs hair wrap here to give your hair a good way. And also you're going to receive this free recap. Actually, you're going to receive this free recap here when you are installing your hair. And lastly, you're going to see this satin bonnet here. It says Kes in front. This is so nice and so amazing. So guys, these are the goodies I want to show you guys from Keswigs. This is very attractive, and this is a more better reason you should get their hairs, because trust me, Keswigs is really ready for you all. Let me show you guys their straight hair. This is from Keswigs. Don't forget guys, I told you guys earlier that I'm making a comparison between Luvme, and this is actually a Keswigs hair. And also the two comparisons, you're going to be very convinced that Keswigs hair are very unique, are very affordable, and very special for you. So guys, with moving forward, this is a 26 texture hair here. As you can see, oh my god, the density is amazing. The density is everything. This is like a 180-200 density. It's so full and very thick. Everything you see right here will be so amazing guys. One thing I want to show you guys is also guys, this is look at how they clip so many things like this. They're letting you know the details and everything you need to know about this hair. This is a 20 inches, sorry, a 26. Oh my god, this is so amazing. And right on my left I have this right on my left here. Oh my god, this is nice. This is nice. I love how this straight hair is, no shedding, no bad smell, nothing whatsoever. The hairs are looking so amazing. The density is super full. This is so full, very full right here, as you can see. And right here on my left, sorry, you can see the two differences guys. You can see the two differences. You can see now that this is not so full and this is so full. And also you can actually rock it in any style of your choice. You can see how it is. The density of this is like, the length of this is actually looking like a 32 inches. Trust me, this is looking like a 32 32 inches, and this is 26 right here. It is looking more of like 24, 26 inches. You can see the differences. So like for me, I will advise you all to go for this Keswigs hair right here, because it's looking so nice, so natural, so everything. You can see the texture of this Luvme hair right here, how it is, and you can see the texture of this one and how it is looking so natural. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you guys the interior of this hair. You can see that this is actually bleached to natural. Let me show you guys this one. You can see how this is just that way. There's nothing or whatsoever. This is love. You can see how it is, but this is how Luvme hair this is how Keswigs hair is. It is bleached to like supernatural. This is so natural. It came bleached for you. You don't need to stress doing anything. Trust me, you don't need to stress over anything. All you need to do, look at how the scalp is. The scalp is looking natural. The scalp hair looks so natural, as if it's growing from your hairline, as you can see right here, as it's going from your hairline. This is one thing I love about any hair. And let me show you guys about the Luvme hair. Luvme hair looks super simple, and it's looking like it is not growing from your hair. You can see that. So this is the more reason you should actually go for Keswigs. When I put my hand through, look at how it is, as if it is growing from my hair scalp. You can see how this is looking so natural, guys. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you guys how you can actually install this. You can go ahead and coil it. You can go ahead and straighten this hair. You can go ahead and dye it, whichever what you want to do with your natural hairline. You can do anything. It is not going to spoil. This is 100% virgin human hair. So guys, watch me install this hair. end of this hair installation. One thing I love about this Keswigs is this hair is super sleek, right? Like, this is luxurious. This is luxury for your money. Luxury for your money. Like, how you want it, that is how you're going to get it. This is so super amazing. Very super 100% virgin human hair, and the length is everything. I love how the texture is. You can see how the length is when I compared it to the other company. You can see how the length is. This is so nice, guys. I'm loving how this hair came around, and you can see how it is at the back, how it's looking, and how it's going. This is so long, and it's looking, to me, this is looking like a 30 inches, as you can see right here. This is looking like a 32 inches, guys. So guys, in case you're interested in this hair, and don't forget, this is very affordable, guys. All details you need will be right in the description bar down below. Please make sure you guys check the description box. The direct hair link of this hair will be right there. Let me know what you think about this hair. Good, guys. This is so nice. This is like, I can't stop touching this hair. I can't stop touching this hair. This is luxury, guys. How you want it, this is how you're going to see. Like, as you see it online, this is how you're going to get it. You can go ahead and coil it, straighten it, dye it, wash it, do whatever you want to do with your hair. It is not going to get out of texture. The texture will be there for lifetime. So guys, let me know what you think. This is an HD lace, undetectable lace, very real lace, guys. This is HD real lace, pure HD lace. You can see how it is right here. It's looking so natural, guys. So guys, let me know what you think about this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.